Hey, we have a pretty ridiculous looking integral here today from the SwinBee 2023 problem 14. We have the integral of all the trig functions squared dx. Okay, my biggest concern with this is how this is going to look on the thumbnail. I'm thinking this might be too long to fit. I'm not really sure what to do with that, but so that's one thing. But the other thing is, how are we going to simplify all this? We could definitely do this by splitting it into 6 separate integrals. Just probably not a very efficient way. I think we can use some trig identities on it. The first thing, knowing we have everything, if I let's do it like this. I can put together sine squared and cosine squared, just knowing that's going to be 1. But then let's do something else. Let's add tan squared x on there and secant squared x. Because then we have the identity that 1 plus tan squared x, this whole thing, this is actually going to be the same thing as secant squared x, and we're adding into this other copy of secant squared x. So putting it together, we're going to have for at least 4 of these terms, we're going to have just 2 secant squared x, and that's going to handle a lot of this stuff, right? We're just going to be left to deal with this plus cosecant squared and cotangent squared. So now that we have this piece here is going to be easy to integrate later, so we'll leave that. Now I think what I want to do here is just something pretty similar to what we just did. With cotangent squared, we have the identity that cotangent squared is going to be the same thing as cosecant squared minus 1. So if I just add this in with this and rewrite, now we have 2 secant squared x. Now we have 2 copies of cosecant squared, right? So we have that minus 1 dx. But now I can just go ahead and integrate. First, the integral of secant squared is going to be tan x. Then next for cosecant squared, that's going to be minus cotangent x. Bring down the 2. Integral of 1 is just minus x, add a plus c, and that's it. Okay, there you have it. Quick integral from SwinBee 2023. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.